Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. Welcome to you my new YouTube channel Achyuta Comedy. Yes, this is my new YouTube channel Achyuta Comedy. And this video is the first video on this channel. This is Achyut Naik. I am from Bhavanagar of Asurmunda village, Lajipur GP of Sonpur district of the Odisha. And I am a doctor of Ayurveda, but not government. I am doctor of private. And this is my clinic. Look at this. And this place name is Volcanic Village or Varanasi of Sonpur district of the Odisha. And I have been living in this village for 5 months. And this environment is very nice, very beautiful. And the people of this area are also very nice. So I like such people. Dear friends, 7 type of disease I am treating here. Number 1, arthritis means knee pain, back pain, hip pain, pain of the any point of the body. And then number 2, disease of stomach. I mean acidity, gastric, indigestion, pain up in the stomach, acidity. And number 3, secret disease of male and female. Male, thin of semen, smelly of semen, ED, PME. ED means erectile dysfunction, and PME means premature ejaculation. Okay, but what is erectile dysfunction? What is premature ejaculation? I will tell you about this topic in next video. Okay, and female. In females, problem of the monthly period at the same time, stomach pain, head pain, back pain, nail breakage, hair loss, black spot on the face, white spot, pigmentation, blemishes, and uneven skin, acidity. Okay. And number 4, UTI. UTI means UTI means urinary tract infection. And 5 and 6, old fever, and 7, diabetes. These 7 diseases are being treated. Okay, so if you have any problems, any query, any question, you can comment me and also call me. Okay, but sorry to say, in a few days I will close this clinic and I open it in my village, Bhavanagar, Asurmunda, because that's my personal matter, so I can't tell you. Okay, line pola lagi. So I have to close this and I will go to there. Okay, but now I understand your thoughts. Why I did a comedy channel, even thoughts I am a doctor. Yes or no? Dear friends, I like comedy video and also I like to act in comedy. And I will also do comedy on this channel. Okay, so please subscribe this channel, because whenever I will post any video here, you will get first see that. And I will upload many types of video on this channel, not only comedy, also blogging video, Namasakirtana video. It means Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. ଓଡ଼ିଆ ବୈଠିକି video and motivational video and something snake video, because I am a snake saver, snake rescuer. It's my duty to protect human from snakes and snakes from human. It's my duty to release the rescue snakes into the nearby forest. So I know something about snakes and I will tell you that. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share, comment, stay subscribed, stay healthy, take care, bye.